What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chef Yarneezy, the Pip Master. Hey, I got a hot one for you today. So I'm in a high frequency trade this morning or today, and I did a 30-minute put on AJ, AUDJPY, right? And if you look at this, guys, I got in at 83,785. It's at 69. So I'm almost 10 pips down. I was much further down back here, but I'm still not worried about it because when I look at the chart, it still, has room to drop down to the 200 EMA. So I'm looking for AJ still to drop down some more. Let's see where it is now versus where it's going. So yeah, I'm looking for AJ to drop another 10 pips. You can catch that if you want on the pip side. I'm gonna try to post this real quick so you can catch it. All right. But that's AJ, and I just wanted to show you 30 minutes was a good sell rate, so it won't go back and forth. Like, if you look at my trade, you don't see my entry line anywhere because I'm so far down. Right now, I'm 68, so now I'm exactly about 10 pips down. All right, 10 pips down from where I got in, and I don't have much further to go. Okay, talking about 7 minutes, and then this trade will be hit. And so 30 minutes, $164 in 30 minutes is not bad, right? I only did a $97 trade. So it's not bad, guys. I did a low trade just to see. Actually, I did a $75 trade. It's right here, right? And then I rolled once for another 30 minutes, and that bumped me up. So not bad, though, right? Now, let's look at some of this other stuff that I love. EVGO, guys, I gave this trade. If you go back and look at one of my videos where I'm talking about EV batteries and all that, you'll see this one. Now, I literally gave this sucker at $11. I wrote it down, $11.55 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Now it's at $15.53. All right. Very nice increase in profit. And if you would have just bought it and wanted to get out real quick, you would have jumped up $6. $6 from where it started in the same day. Okay, but I still got this sucker riding pretty high. I marked my RSI, okay, because it's a new this is a new stock. So it doesn't have a lot of history. As you can see, that's it. But what I will say about it is when you mark the RSI, this is the highest it's been, 93.22. It looks to be comfortable already at the 82.24 range. Okay, so right now RSI is at 78.27. It got some room to grow. So I'm looking for the sucker to close somewhere around the $16.19, $16.30 range, $16.30 range. That's what I'm looking for it to close today, unless it wants to really get happy on us. All right, let's go to my favorite, old Lucid. Lucid, why is Lucid dropping? Everybody want to learn Lucid drop. Okay, Lucid is dropping because it already did its move here. Okay, Lucid shot up. It hit my 47.88. I gave that prediction last week. Okay, last week I gave that prediction $47.88. It hit it. Now it's pulling back. It's going to hit right around support. Should bounce from here and then run back up. That's what I'm looking for Lucid to do because it's a really good stock. Shiba Inu, everybody's asking about this one too. Why is it dropping? Well, same thing. Shiba Inu, look at it. It ran up, bam, tapped 86, came down. Now it's got to hit this EMA right here. Boom, it should bounce off that EMA and do what it did here, kind of like another run up. Okay, so I'm looking for Shiba to drop down to about 46 and then shoot back up. You can catch it at 46. If you like, or you want to wait till it drops possibly to 40. Okay, if it drops below this EMA, you know it's going to drop between 40 and 43. All right, let's look at Bitcoin real quick. I got Bitcoin going to 70,000, guys. 7005.92. That's where Bitcoin is going, in my opinion. Okay, but it's going to pull back first so it can have some energy and room to do what it did here. Look at this run. This was beautiful. Bitcoin went from here to there. 2,997 pips. Amazing. Amazing. So if it keeps pulling back, which it should pull back a little bit more, it'll come down to about 67,672 or so. If it does not go all the way down to pull back, which it should, I'm staying with that. I'm staying with that. And if it drops below the CMA, then you know it'll come down to 67,027. I'm out of breath. Okay, last one. We can talk about gold and silver, but gold already did. Silver did its thing. Silver came way up here, hit the white, and came back down. So it's going back to the white. Boy, I'm tired. Okay, next, US30, my favorite. US30, I'm hoping that it keeps plummeting, guys. Dow Jones, it already did its run. Look at this. It set a new high here. Set a new high. Actually, it set it. Let me push this up to where it really set it. Okay. Right there. All right, set a new high, 36,571, right? Now it's exhausted, so it needs to come back down, reset itself. So it may hit this 50 and bounce and run again, or it may complete the trend, right? The trend is basically showing that it needs to do a move like this. It did already, and then come down and complete this little triangle right here. My drawing was horrible, wasn't it? Yeah, I know. Anyway, if it does, I'm looking for US30 to come down to this level of support right around the 35,619 range. That would be amazing, but it needs to cross the 50 clean. It needs to open and close a candle on the bottom side of the 50 for me to believe that's even possible. Okay. And that's it, guys. 6 minutes, 20 some odd seconds. That's plenty of time to yap and talk. Let me look at where AJ is. Yep, AJ still rolling. Look at where my trade is. It's still rolling. Okay, about to hit that sucker in a few more minutes. And I'll be happy, and that'll be it for the day for me. I'm your boy, Chef Yardneasy, the Pip Master, and I'm out. Enjoy. Have a blessed one.